my lovely students. Are you excited to know what happened to the next in Bipin Bapu's stories? Yes. So after lunch break, Bipin Bapu had the realization that he just could not continue sitting on his desk and work like nothing had happened. So do you remember after the call of Dinesh Mukherjee? He said that you had been in Ranchi and now he became very upset. He had not faced like it in 20 years of association of company. He was known for his hard work. Still I remember that it was 2:30 in afternoon and Bipin Bapu reached his home. And Bipin Bapu lay down in his bed and made an attempt to become calm and to able to think clearly. वो सोचने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि क्या मैं रांची गया था? Because I forget everything. Oh, I am not well. I am well aware about the possibility of losing one's memory because of an injury in the head. But I had never heard such a case where one had not remember just one particular incident and I forget the Ranchi trip, the main point, the main incidents of my life. How it is possible? I had always wanted to go to Ranchi. Yes, this is right. मैं हमेशा रांची जाना चाहता था and went there and do so many things and now I forget. How? How it can be possible? Oh God. Sir, it is 7:30 and your friend Chunni Babu wants to meet you. Oh, I know why Chunni come for here. We both went to school together and now he had a rough time. He lost his job and he come to ask for help related to job. It was very difficult for me to help Chunni Lal. You just go and said that it is not possible for me to meet him. Okay? Okay, sir. Oh, wait. Chunni might remember something about 1958 trip about Ranchi. Wait. Oh, wait. Listen, Chunni. I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. तुम मुझे काफ़ी समय से जानते हो, है ना? Just throw back your mind and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 1958? Please tell me.
58? It must have been 58. Or was it 59?
Oh, you are sure that I did go to Ranchi?
Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all?
Oh, did I go? Do you remember clearly?
Bipin, you have taken to drugs or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. You can really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip.
Do you remember what my last job was? Yeah. I remember. You worked in a travel agency, right?
Oh, you remember that? You don't remember that? I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. I went to the station to see you off. One of the fans in your compartment was not working. I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything, Bipin? Whatever is the matter with you, Bipin? You don't look too well, you know.
I have been working too hard. That must be the reason. So, I must see about concerning a doctor, I think. Ooh, oh my god. So, doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunni Lal leave without mentioning anything about a job. वो बात तो अपनी जॉब के बारे में करने आए थे, लेकिन उन्होंने बिपिन की कंडीशन देख के उस जॉब के बारे में कुछ बात नहीं की. परेश चंदा was a young physician with a pair of bright eye and sharp nose. He became thoughtless when he heard about Bipin Chaudhary's symptoms. Look, Dr. Chanda, you must cure me of this horrible illness. I can't tell you how it's affecting my work. Please.
Bipin Babu, you know what, Mr. Chaudhary? I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience. But I have one suggestion. I don't know if it will work, but it's worth a try. It can do no harm, far as I can make out, and I think you are the same opinion. You must have been to Ranchi, but due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. What I suggest that you should go to Ranchi once again. The sight of the place may remind you of your trip. This is not impossible. More than that I cannot do at the moment. I am prescribing a nerve tonic and a transcluser. Sleeping is essential or the symptoms will get more pronounced.
Bipin Bapu felt somewhat better the next morning, and after the breakfast he rang up his office, gave somewhat instructions, and then proceeds a first class ticket for Ranchi and for the same evening. अब वो रांची जाने के लिए तैयार हो गए. So, getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि वो पहली बार रांची आए हैं, इसके पहले वो कभी यहाँ पे नहीं आए. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. काफ़ी देर तक वो वहाँ घूमे. And he realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Murabada hills, he was watching for a first time. उन्हें कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा था. So now he arranged for a car and left for Hudru in the afternoon. So now at 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hudru, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Bapu lying unconscious beside a builder. मतलब कि वो अपने माइंड को खो चुके थे, वो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल पड़े हुए थे, बिल्कुल असहाय. So when he came around the first time, विपिन बापू ने क्या कहा? Listen, just see. Oh, I'm finished. There's no hope left. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा. I forget everything. Now next morning, Bipin Bapu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. He will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. Was he going to end up and go to asylum? Bipin Bapu couldn't think any more. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then after a shower, he got into bed with an eye bag clamped on his head. Just then the servant brought him a letter. Oh, there is a climax. which someone had left in the letter box. A greenish envelope with his name in the red ink on it. Sir, someone had left in the letter box a letter, and above the name it said urgent and confidential. You know, I have no money, and so my resources are limited, and what I have its imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. Well, you will be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If you like it enough, I will see me through the next few months. Yours चुन्नी लाल. So देखा आपने, ये सारी प्लानिंग चुन्नी लाल की थी. उसके दोस्त ने उसे पागल बनाने की कोशिश की बिकॉज उसका फ्रेंड उसे बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था. अच्छा हुआ आप आ गए. Well. Now I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. You know, now I am well.
Unique case. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. Oh, the reason why I sent for you is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller.